Young farmers, welcome back to our Farm Adventure series. Today, we're going to learn all about how watermelons grow. First things first, we need to choose the right variety of watermelon. There are so many different types, like the juicy Crimson Sweet or the super sweet Sugar Baby. Each variety has its own unique taste and size. What kind of watermelon do you like? Now that we have our seeds, it's time to prepare the soil. Watermelons love warm and sunny weather, so find a sunny spot in your garden or farm. Make sure the soil is rich and well drained. We want our watermelon plants to have plenty of nutrients to grow big and strong. Next, it's time to plant our watermelon seeds. Dig small holes in the soil, about an inch deep. Place a few seeds in each hole and cover them gently with soil. Remember to leave some space between each hole, as watermelon plants need room to spread out. Here comes the fun part, watering our watermelon plants. Watermelons need lots of water to grow, so make sure to water them regularly. But be careful not to overwater, as they don't like soggy soil. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply once or twice a week, depending on the weather. As our watermelon plants start to grow, we need to give them some extra love and care. We can help them by removing any weeds that might compete for nutrients. We can also add some organic fertilizer to give them a boost. Remember, happy plants make tasty watermelons. Let's talk about pollination. Watermelon plants have beautiful yellow flowers that attract bees and other pollinators. These little helpers transfer pollen from the male flowers to the female flowers, allowing the fruit to develop. So, let's welcome our buzzing friends to the watermelon patch. As the days go by, our watermelon plants will start to produce fruits. It's so exciting. Keep an eye on them and make sure they have enough space to grow. If you notice any small or misshapen fruits, you can gently remove them to allow the others to thrive. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, harvesting our watermelons. How do we know when they're ready? Look for these signs: a dull skin color, a yellowish belly, and a hollow sound when you tap them. Now, grab your harvesting knife and let's enjoy the fruits of our labor. Congratulations, young farmers. You've successfully grown your own watermelons. Wasn't that an amazing journey? Remember, with a little patience, love, and care, you can grow your own delicious watermelon. If you enjoyed this fruity adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the happiness with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the garden.